Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews on all the beauty tools and products you need to elevate your self-care routine. Today, we're talking about something simple yet essential in every manicure kit, the Amazon Basics Manicure Sticks. These double-sided wooden sticks come in a pack of 100 and are designed to make your nail care routine more precise and effective. They feature a rounded end for cuticle care and a pointed end for under nail cleaning. And let me tell you, these little tools can make all the difference. Now you might be thinking, it's just a manicure stick. How much can there be to say? But trust me, when you're at home trying to achieve that salon-perfect manicure or pedicure, the right tools matter. These sticks are crafted from wood, a material that gives them both durability and a gentle touch on your nails and cuticles. When it comes to using these, they fit comfortably in your hand. The medium-length design ensures you have enough control to work around your nails with ease. I've personally tested them during a few at-home manicures, and I love how the rounded end makes pushing back cuticles feel effortless without causing irritation. That's a huge plus for me, as someone who tends to have sensitive skin around my nails. The pointed end is fantastic for cleaning under the nails, especially after applying polish, as it gets into those hard-to-reach places where dirt can build up. One thing I appreciate about these sticks is that they come in a convenient pack of 100. If you're like me, you tend to go through these a bit quicker than expected, so having a bulk supply is a great advantage. Plus, the sticks are compact enough to toss into your nail kit or travel bag without taking up much space. Whether you're traveling or just doing a quick at-home mani, you're all set. But of course, every product has its pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. First off, the price is incredibly affordable, especially for 100 sticks. It's hard to beat that value for money. And honestly, I can't think of a reason why you'd need to spend more on a similar product. The double-sided design really maximizes utility, cuticle care on one side, and under nail cleaning on the other. Plus, the wood is sturdy, so you don't have to worry about it snapping easily. On the flip side, the texture of the wood can be a bit rough if you're used to smoother, high-end tools. Some might find the edges slightly sharp, especially if you're not used to working with wooden tools. But once you get the hang of it, it's really a non-issue. The medium length is comfortable, but some might prefer something a little longer for added grip and control. As for value for money, there's no question here. These sticks deliver great results at an unbeatable price. You're not going to find a better deal for such a simple yet crucial tool in your nail care routine. If you're used to splurging on pricier branded tools, these might seem basic, but honestly, they do the job and do it well. I wouldn't necessarily compare these to other premium manicure sticks, because there's no need to. If you're someone who's simply looking for a reliable, affordable product to maintain your nails at home, you're not going to get much better than these. In terms of durability, while the wood is sturdy, you can expect them to wear out a bit faster if you use them heavily, especially the pointed ends. But with 100 sticks in a pack, you're getting plenty of use before needing to replenish, so it's really a minor issue. Now, I haven't had direct interaction with Amazon's customer support for this product, but I can say that Amazon's reputation for handling returns and inquiries is solid. So, if anything went wrong, I feel confident they'd be able to address it. As for alternatives, if you're looking to splurge a little, there are more luxe options out there, with smooth plastic coatings or ergonomic designs, but they'll cost significantly more. These Amazon Basics manicure sticks are absolutely fine for anyone just looking for a reliable, no-frills product to maintain their nails. So, to wrap it up, these Amazon Basics manicure sticks are a must-have for anyone looking to keep their nails in top shape without breaking the bank. They work as advertised, are easy to store, and provide excellent value for money. Whether you're a pro or a beginner in nail care, these are a solid choice. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used these sticks, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experiences.